Data, data, there's data everywhere. Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing video with Scott. So today we are unboxing this data cable, showing you guys what it looks like, this whole set. That way you guys are prepared. Alright guys, so this is the cable line. It is a 3-pack and this will charge your Apple devices. It's a braided line. So, braided lines are really nice looking. The Apple end right here, so you can charge your Apple phones, tablets, AirPods, whatever takes this plug. And it's a USB plug on the other end. So you just plug it directly into any USB, and that is it. So that is what you guys get. So the lines are nice and braided. Plenty of length, so we can open this up so you guys can have it, plenty of length. So if your phone or device is on a table and your USB port is somewhere else or computer, you got plenty of cable. So overall guys, very nice. And guys, as a bonus for you, we went ahead and we spliced the wire here so we can now look and see what's underneath the braid. So underneath the braided line, you have a rubber wire, a rubber line I should say, and then you also have multiple different wires here. You got black, you have green, you have red, and you have white. Each of those wires, now only do this if you know how to wire stuff back up, each of those wires has a mini wire inside, so that helps transfer the data. So thread this off here. So inside, and that actually looks like copper. Some of the other wires are a lot cheaper. This one might actually be a pretty nice, I think these are definitely nice wires. So I do it for you because I love just checking. We'll rewire this back up so we can use it. But yeah, they get a pass from me.